Hey everybody, it's Martha with the Patchwork Kitty. I'm gonna leave those on. It's a little bright today. Just doing another little Ipsy video for you all. I'm gonna show you guys what my Ipsy bag this month was. I got two though. So, I think one of these is my add-ons. But I'm not really sure which one's which. So I'm just gonna start with the one that says Ipsy. Let's see. Okay. So this is for March 2020. There's the bag. Ooh. Something. Ooh. The actual bag is very stinky. So let's see. I'm not sure, actually, I'll be honest. I don't know if this is part of the regular bag or if this was an add-on. But this is a very large sample from Youth to the People. I believe this is a face mask. So, Superberry face mask. Oops. Set that down there. Oh, come on. It just doesn't want to focus. Oh, it really just doesn't want to focus, guys. I'm sorry. So, since we can't read it, it is Superberry Hydrate Plus Glow Dream Mask. Again, from Youth to the People. It's got a sub lid, so I'm not going to lift that because I give a lot of my Ipsy stuff away. And that's why I don't open everything. So, but that's that one. Moving on to the, oh god, it smells like paint. I like the wood handle though. Different. So here we go. It says Full Bloom. Okay. Roses are red, violets are blue. These 5 glam bag products, valued at $50 plus, were picked just for you and everybody else that they printed this card for. Let's see. So I got Youth to the People, Superberry Hydrate Plus Glow Dream Mask. We saw that already. It looks like in here we have an eyeshadow, an eyeliner, a blending brush, and a face scrub. So let's check this out. So there's our brush. This will end up being a giveaway item, so I'm not gonna use it. Let's see, it is from Araceli. Can you guys see that? There we go, from Araceli. It's a blending brush. There we go. Feels pretty good. It's pretty soft. There's that. Moving on. Eyeliner. I'm not going to be able to test this one because it is wrapped in plastic. So, this is from Sugar. So, it says it is a waterproof microliner in the shade I'll Be Black. So that's that. Moving on. Let's see, face scrub from the brand Van. Looks like it is an oatmeal face scrub. It has a sub seal, but I can still smell it. It smells really good. This I will probably keep for me. I love my face scrubs. I need it. I'm old. Okay, and last thing, I was kind of saving for last because it's from Nomad, one of my favorite brands. But I already know from looking at the pictures I'm not going to be keeping this because this is not a Martha shade. So, it's a very cute little, super, super cute little eyeliner, though. Love it. So tiny. Matte tan shade. Totally not me. Totally going to be giving that away. But it's from Nomad. It's a good brand. And it's a super cute sample. Love it. So, can't complain if it's something that I'm going to be giving away because it saves me from having to buy giveaway items. So, I'm not really complaining. Put it all back in the stinky bag. Oof. That's just terrible. Okay. Moving on to the Mystery Hot Pink bag. Also from Ipsy, which I'm, again, pretty sure these were my add-ons. Dude, this doesn't stink. This actually smells really good. So, I had ordered 5 add-ons, and most of my add-ons they didn't have, and they ended up having to refund me. So I'm glad I got these, though, because obviously I'm intending on giving these away. So, let's see, this was a 2-for. It was advertised as keep one for yourself and give the other one away. Little goodie bags that came in these great little velvet bags that say Ipsy on the back of them, and they come in a variety of colors. I'm really happy with the 2 colors they gave me. They're very, very spring, very bright. Leave-in hair conditioner. I'm so not going to be keeping that. I'm not going to try and butcher the name here, because, yeah, I buy their hair scrub all the time. I love their hair scrub. Fantastic, but I have no hair, and leave-in conditioners, they just make my hair look oily and gross, so we don't do those, so yeah. Anyway, whoop. Next one, in the blue bag. Oh, I'm keeping this. I'm keeping this. It's from Hemp's. It's lotion, and I really need it from all this washing. This is a great sample. This is a triple moisture. Oh my god. This is why this bag doesn't smell bad, because this was in it. This is the Herbal Whipped Body Cream. I wish oh, okay. Victoria's Secret puts out they have a perfume, I think it's called Love Spell. It smells very similar to this. This is a much lighter scent, though. So if you like that smell, but it's a little too much for you, oh my gosh, I'm keeping this. This is not going to anybody else. Somebody may get the bag, but the lotion's all mine. Anywho's, so that's my Ipsy haul for March. I'm super excited. I wish I'd had all the other add-ons that I bought, but they ran out, so that's that. Oof. Yeah, those are going back on. Anyway, if you like my sunglasses, they're from AliExpress, but I also, got them like 5 years ago, so who knows if they still have them. Anyway, so that's that, y'all. I'll be posting a video later this week on some Nemador dresses that I got, including this one. Love this dress. These are from Amazon, the brand Nemador. I have a couple others in other colors and some short ones also, so I'll be doing a video later in the week for that. Also look for this month's Birchbox video whenever I get that in the mail, as well as a Dress Lily video and a Cow dress video. So 'tis the season for me to buy dresses. So anyway, have a great day. Enjoy your quarantine. Bye.